All right, guys. Well, today is a day that we've anticipated. By the way, my name is Arnie from Tricky and Billet, also known as OBS Chevy Racing. We want to show you the 88 to 98 coilover kit that we've been developing for quite some time. We've done a couple of chassis here with them, and we finally want to show it off. Okay, so we got together with Rytech. I told them what my measurements are, and we've developed a shock just for this kit. If you want to circle down here a little bit, we'll talk about how it mounts over here. And we're going to go to the other side, but there's a mount down here. We want to talk about how it works in conjunction with our billet upper control arm. This is our control arm. It's on our website. What's so unique about this control arm is we're not going to utilize the eccentric washers anymore. All the alignment's now done with the spacers. There's another video that you can check that out. But today's video is about the coilover conversion kit, seen here with a 2-inch drop spindle, and it's just remarkable. So let's go to the other side, and we'll talk about how the bolts and how it's all connected over there. On this side over here, we have a control arm out of the way, and the spindle's out of the way, so we can really dissect this this unit here. The first thing you're going to notice is obviously the bolts that are around here. The heart of this system is this laser jet piece right here. This one hasn't been tapped yet, but what's going to happen is, imagine this piece out of here. The stock coil pocket is there. We want to cut it out. We're going to cut that stock coil out. Should be exactly about 6 inches. We're going to put this ring. The ring's got to be put on a certain angle. You want to sit there and fine tune it because we want this to be nice and straight when I match them both up, okay? So this ring gets welded, and that's the heart of it. You want to make sure you've cleaned up all your metal work. Matt, come on this side. I'll show everybody. I do take some extra meat out of here. That's going to be your first bolt for your motor mounts. So I like to take a lot of meat so I can reach down here and weld over here. So that's something we want to make sure that we showed you. But after you've got this ring welded in here, the heart of it is this guy right here, the hat. Laser cut, obviously all CNC laser cut to perfection, and then TIG welded. We are going to have a builder's kit as well, where it's going to be taken apart and you can kind of weld it yourself. I want to save a little money that way. But this hat right here is meant to hold this beautiful Rytech shock. We're looking at it today with 700-pound springs. The unique part about dealing with Rytech is they make such a variation of these springs. I think from 250 all the way to 800, and they do it in different lengths, just like this shock body right here. Our particular shock here is a 24-way adjustable, and it has an extended eyelet on it as well, so we can clear everything. Man, let's come down here. I'm going to show these guys how we've connected it. We're still using the factory control arm. Typically on your control arms, the shock mounts underneath there with two 13mm bolts. What we do is we drill them out. We put two 7/16s with lock washers and nuts, and we're actually just pressing down on it. We have on this shock 4 inches, 3.5, 4 inches of complete adjustment up or down. So if I wanted to go even lower, I can change to another height shock and go even lower. But right now, obviously, there's no engine inside here, and we're pretty low as it is. So it's a phenomenal setup. This setup is going to work also with your two-door, with your Tahoes, your Suburbans, anything that's two-wheel drive, 88 to 98 OBS. So like I say, guys, we're very excited. The kit's going to come with all the bolts, everything you see here. Please go visit our website, obschevyracing.com. There's going to be a special page just for this. There's obviously you're on Instagram, so you're checking us on Instagram. It's called Tricky and Billet. Tricky Air Suspension is our Instagram. If you're following, if this video makes it to Facebook, our phone number is 1-866-922-3533. If you have any questions, you can give us a call. We'll answer everything. But guys, we're very excited about our coilover kit, and call us if you have any questions. See ya.